Bashkins, good evening. How y'all be doing? How y'all popping? Happy weekend. So basically, guys, I'm sorry I've not been posting for quite some time now. It's just because I was busy with studies and I don't even know what to post. You know, to be a YouTuber is not an easy task. You have to put a good content for the viewer. If they are watching it, it looks interesting. You understand? So basically, I did post last month. I don't know what happened to it. I post my birthday vlog. I don't know what happened to it. I deleted the video and I'm still surprised. You understand? So with that, I was angry. I was like, I don't want to post any video again. But your girl is back. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for sticking with me all this while. Please, if you are new here, I want you to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. You understand? You know what's going on. Please stick with me to this video and watch it to the fullest. Love you guys. Mwah. So guys, basically to this video, I'm actually going out with my friend. We're going to a party close to my house here. It is called Arona, Color de Arona. So this is my first time, so I want to know what they're doing there. But I want to. Sorry, the camera is not that clear because I'm coming downstairs, and you know when you're coming downstairs, everywhere from black. She said I should wait for her at the plaza, so I'm going to wait for her there. So when she's there, we start walking. Let's go together.
And it goes a little something like
I'm actually waiting for her right now. She said she's coming, so I'm waiting for her. Actually, guys, this is my first time going to a party since I get it, like since 2 years now. This is my first time going to a party. So I want to see what they are doing there. You understand? I'm tired of sitting at some all day. I'm legs busy. So what's wrong with this aeroplane now? See now you want to disturb me. So I'm less busy. Everybody's just going to the party. I want to see how it's going. Actually, guys, I'm still waiting. Nayara can take forever to come. Oh my gosh. Puffin. Mira here, wapa. Let me show you. That's she's coming. Hola! See, muchísimo frío. That's my friend. I see you too. You see? Bueno, she's here. Esta es mi amiga. Ella muy guapa, ¿sabe?
Thank you so much.
So you are going right now. I want to see what you are doing. I don't actually know what you're doing there. To you guys, so esto es listo. Fiesta.
Party, party. Party.
So guys, basically we are actually walking to the place because it's not that far. To you guys, it's not that far from my where I live. So we're walking to the place.
and it goes a little something like
You, are summer and
tu pelo está bonita. Tranquila.
Juro que esas chicas de grandes. Yo me quedé filmando y yo dije, ¿te imaginas que no moja?
Ay, Dios, creo que mucha gente, ¿eh?
Ay, mucha gente. Eso
Oh, Dios mío, parece, estoy guapa, sí, sí, sí.
yo no.
So guys, basically, we are at the party, but we are at the party. I don't even know why I'm laughing. We are at the party, but there are lots of I don't even know why I'm laughing. Okay, let me see what I want to say. Basically, we are at the party, but we have to leave there. We have to take a walk first because she's really nervous and sorry. Okay, I'm done laughing. Wait, she wants to start. Basically, okay. We just arrived at the party, but I don't know what happened to her. She saw some of our classmates and our geography teacher, and she got, my friend is so nervous that she said, let's take a walk first. So we are taking a walk. Then after we go to the party, there are lots of people with different colors. Oh my god, this is the first party, like the first party ever. Coronavirus, we did a lot. We did a lot. Stupid things. We did a lot. So guys, you can basically hear the music in the background. We are just turning around like this. We are going around. Oh, she's really nervous. I don't even know why she's nervous because I should stop laughing. Okay guys, this is the party. Color, I don't even know what to say. Arona color. So this is it. A lot of people, Jesus Christ, this is the first party they are doing after this stupid coronavirus. Look at this. A lot of music, dance. I'm really hungry. And she's just walking. She's just talking to, my god.
A mí me dijeron que sí, pero no sé si
We are still walking around though. As in, a lot of people are just in the party and I don't even know. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Just the streets alone. This is just the streets alone. The first, look at the streets alone. Like, we are just, look at that side. A lot of people. There's no place to sit down. We are just roaming. Like, look at the main party. We are walking all around for nothing. I'm tired. Guys, we came to eat. We came to eat, so we just left the fiesta, the party. I'll soon be going home. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Look at my face. My face is really rough. So guys, we just left the place. We are going home. I'm tired. I'm going back. Yeah, I'm going back home. So thanks. Like, what am I saying? I'm that's my beautiful friend. I'm just tired. I want to eat something nice. I'm going home to go and eat mommy's food. You know now. So guys, thanks for sticking with me today to watch this video. Please, I want you to subscribe and like. Don't forget to share this video also. And those of you that are new in my channel, please, I want you to please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification. Thank you guys. Love you. See you next time. Bye.